How to plan a family flight using SeatGuru. This is best seats for families. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can plan a family flight using SeatGuru. Now, in order to choose the best seats for families using SeatGuru, it is not difficult. The first thing you should do is that you should visit seatguru.com on your web page. And then once you're on the home page, you see some tabs such as seat maps, you can see airlines, you can see cheap flights, and the likes. So you can decide to click on seat maps here, all right, and then you're taken to the find your seat map page, or you could just scroll down on that same page and click on seat map. Anyone is fine. So once you're on this page, you can see the options here. You can see details that you need to enter in, which include airline, date, and then flight number. And then once you can see that, the next step will be for you to enter in your airline. That is the airline that you use to book your flight. So I'm just going to go ahead and type that now. Okay. So type out the airline, then select the date, the departure date that you and your family intend to travel, and then enter in the flight number that you received while booking the flight. Then move to the right side and click on find. By clicking on find, you'll be taken to SeatGuru will display the seat map for your flight. All right, so display the seat map for your flight, and the seats are color coded to indicate their quality. The good seats with extra legroom and recline or other pegs are the green ones, while the yellow seats are the ones with some drawbacks, but they are still average. The red seats are seats that you should avoid. So there are three colors: green, yellow, red. The green are the best, yellow of average, and then the red seats are the ones that you should avoid. So as a family, the best seat that you should choose, of course, are seats with extra leg room, and those are the seats that are color coded as color green. So ensure you select those seats, and also avoid seats near the back, as they can be noisy and they can be less comfortable for families and your children. So take note of that and you're good to go. Okay, just ensure you select the green seats, seats with color green, and also select seats that are not back. And that way you and your family will have a fun time on your flight. So this is how you can go about. This is how you can use SeatGuru to plan a family flight. Thank you for watching and have a good day.